Hello to all you wonderful musicians out there. Today we will learn how to access and sign up on the Samro Portal. Firstly, congratulations on getting registered and getting yourself a BR number. A BR number, or also known as a Samro relation number, is the number in which you will use when you register onto the portal. So to register onto the portal, you need to come to the Samro website first, which is samro.org.za. And from here, you will see on the top right side, there's a big red button labeled Member Portal Login. When you click on that, it takes you to the Member Portal. So from this page, you will need to sign up. So that is located at the top right side. So when you click on that, you will be required to fill these in. This is your first name. This is your surname. This is that very important SAMRO relation number. This is where you put in your email address, the same one that you used when you registered. And it should be an email that you have quick access to because you will need to open it to activate your account. And then the telephone number is not that important. It is optional. From here on, you will need to accept the general terms and conditions. Otherwise, it won't go through. Once you've submitted all your details, you will receive the following message. It says your account was created successfully. An activation email will be sent as soon as your account has been activated. You will then need to check your email because you will receive a message that looks similar to this. You will then need to click on the link in the email address and it will lead you to a page where you can change and create your own password. Please note that it has to be at least 8 characters long and do not share it with anyone. Once you have a password, you will receive a screen that says your password was changed successfully, and then you can now log into your portal account. And now for the fun part. You now have a username, you have a password that you've just created. What you need to do is input those details so that you can sign into your account. We have created, for the purpose of this video, a dummy account. So these are our details. And voila, you are within. First thing you need to know is that should you wish to log out, you need to come to the profile info where your BR number is. It has a drop down menu and you can click on log out over there. And should you have problems remembering your password, and it happens, you click on forgot password. You will then need to input your email address and your Samro BR number, and then you reset your password. And it will bring up the password screen that you've had before when you were creating your account. And then once that is done, you will have an email confirmation.